if you're on the truck, you need to be two positions until you are off the truck. You need to be the technician, but you also have to be the office person. If you are only the technician, you will only ever be the technician. If you don't set aside the time to be that second employee, and yeah, this may require 70 hours a week, when you're first trying to really make a go of that goal, I am getting myself off the damn truck, and you commit to yourself. But if you want to make your goals kill all your leisure for temporary, you can't sustain this. And I'm not suggesting you do this for 10 years, but I'm suggesting that you take an audit of yourself and the time that you spend on things, and are you really mapping your actions to reach your goals? Do you want to get off the truck or not? That's a hard thing to realize, because if you're not being both of those positions, then you're not really willing to do what it needs to do to get off the truck.